Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Elementary 17 Vacations.
Hi, my name's Jeff, but I just broke my suitcase. While I'm trying to fix my suitcase, your English teacher will take you through today's lesson.
In today's lesson, you will learn how to ask and talk about fun vacation plans using phrases like be going to get ready, I can't wait. Before we watch a short movie, I'll teach you some vocabulary which may be new to you. To get ready. I'm packing my bags. I'm getting ready for my vacation. I can't wait. This is the same as I'm very excited. Be going to. We use this to talk about the future. I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. Let's watch the movie. Two friends are talking about their vacation plans. What is Sally going to do? Who is Mark going to visit?
Hi, Sally. Come on in.
Hey, Mark. How are you doing?
Great. I'm just packing my bags and getting ready for my vacation tomorrow.
Where are you going?
I'm visiting my parents in Vancouver for Christmas.
Great. I went to Vancouver last year for Independence Day.
Really? How was it?
I had a great trip. It's a beautiful city.
Yeah, I can't wait to go. How about you? Do you and Dave have any plans for the holidays?
No, we're staying here this year. Dave and I are going to buy a big Christmas tree tomorrow and decorate it.
That sounds fun. Well, I'll be back next week. Maybe we can do something for New Year's Eve.
Sure, we are having a big party to celebrate.
Great, I'll be there.
Yeah, all my stuff.
How was that? How much did you understand? What is Sally going to do? Sally is going to stay at home. Who is Mark going to visit? Mark is going to visit his parents. We use going to when we are talking about the future. Look at these sentences. I am going to visit Jamaica next year. We're going to buy a Christmas tree. Look at each sentence. What comes after going to? That's right, going to is followed by a verb like visit or buy. It is now your turn to practice speaking. I will show you part of the movie. Watch the people, then listen to me. Repeat what I say.
I'm just packing my bags and getting ready for my vacation tomorrow.
I'm getting ready for my vacation. Repeat that. I'm getting ready for my vacation.
Yeah, I can't wait to go.
I can't wait. Repeat that. I can't wait.
How about you? Do you and Dave have any plans for the holidays?
How about you? Do you have any plans for the holiday? Repeat that. How about you? Do you have any plans for the holiday?
Well done, Jeff. Problem solved. I'm going to Hong Kong.
Today, we've talked about vacation plans. We've practiced using be going to when you are talking about the future. We've also learned a very useful phrase, to get ready. And if you're really excited about something in the future, you can say, I can't wait. Well done. See you again soon. Bye.